All right, here's my homemade 3D printer enclosure for my Ender 3. So I have the power supply over here, which is there. And this is 24 volts out. So I tapped into the connector and I got it coming over here to the step down converter. So I've already adjusted it down to 12 volts. And all right, so I just finished. As you can see, I got the wiring running through here, super glue, hot glue that. I got some heat shrink over the step down. The switch is right here, and then everything is just coming up there, up over here, and then down this side right here. And that's it. Let me show you guys the switch, and there we go. Now I finally have light so I could see everything inside my 3D printer.